Updated big views, close proximity to main lake area, 8 water depth, V, and V. Prime Lake Oconee lakefront location. Just minutes from main lake shopping, restaurants and amenities. This home has been thoughtfully updated with a harmonious blend of comfort and style to provide an open floor plan for friends and family gatherings as well as a haven for quiet relaxation and enjoyment. The expanded kitchen is a cook's delight, featuring ample storage, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a picturesque view of the lake through a wall of windows and French doors leading to the full front covered porch. The spacious island is perfect for entertaining, providing additional seating in the dining/keeping room. The interconnected spaces flow effortlessly, creating a comfortable atmosphere. The cozy living room, adjacent to the kitchen, is ideal for curling up by the fire with a good book or movie, and the screen porch and pergola-covered grilling deck enhance the lakeside experience. Whether hosting a barbecue, enjoying your morning coffee, or stargazing at night, the large porch and fire pit provide the perfect backdrop for memorable conversations and moments. Embrace the lakeside lifestyle fully. Property has a max dock with boat lift and canvas cover, jet ski lift, kayak/paddleboard rack, and a 8 water depth at dock. A detached 2-car garage offers not only convenience, but a workbench and additional storage space.